The waves gently lapped at the shore as Jenny walked along the beach. She bent down and picked up a plastic bottle, sighing at the pollution that was damaging her beloved ocean. As she looked out the vast blue sea, she was reminded of why she organized the first Mother Ocean Day beach cleanup 5 years ago. The ocean covers over 70% of the Earth's surface and is home to millions of plants and animals. For centuries, it has provided humans with food, transportation, recreation, and economic opportunity. However, in recent decades, pollution, overfishing, and climate change have taken a huge toll on the health of the ocean. In an effort to raise awareness about this issue and encourage stewardship of the ocean, the first Mother Earth Day was held on May 10, 2014. The goals of Mother Ocean Day are to celebrate the ocean and all it provides, spread awareness about the threats facing the ocean, and inspire people to take action to protect the ocean. People around the world organize beach cleanups, educational events, art installations, and more to commemorate the day. Major landmarks and signs are lit up in blue, representing the color of the ocean. Social media campaigns encourage people to share why they love the ocean using the hashtag #MotherOceanDay. To celebrate Mother Ocean Day, people can organize or join a local beach cleanup to collect plastic and other trash that can harm ocean life. They can also choose to avoid single-use plastics for the day by using reusable bags, bottles, straws, and food containers. Students and schools often use Mother Ocean Day as an opportunity to learn more about ocean conservation and the actions they can take to make a difference. Aquariums and science centers frequently host special educational programming focusing on issues like pollution, overfishing, and climate change as they relate to the ocean. Mother Ocean Day is a chance for people around the world to reflect on the importance of the ocean and rededicate themselves to protecting it for future generations. While the problems facing the ocean can seem immense, even small actions taken by individuals cumulatively make a big difference. Each bottle picked up, use of reusable products, and the lesson learned brings us one step closer to a sustainable future for our ocean. Together, the actions we take on Mother Ocean Day and every day can help ensure a healthy ocean for all. May 10th is Mother Ocean Day. Here is a painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful Mother Ocean Day. Cheers!